Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Ear Hair Waxing Kit is probably one of the most effective and straightforward solutions for men looking to tackle those unruly ear hairs that can detract from a well-groomed appearance, offering a convenient at-home alternative to professional salon treatments or the constant need for trimming. This kit aims to provide a relatively painless and long-lasting method for removing ear hair directly from the root, ensuring smoother results for a longer period compared to shaving or plucking, and it's designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it accessible even for those new to waxing. Number 5. Men's IPX7 Waterproof Electric Shaver and Trimmer. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool designed for men. It offers versatile trimming for every need, ensuring a clean and comfortable experience. This device features an IPX7 waterproof rating, making it safe for use in the shower or for easy cleaning under running water. Enjoy grooming anywhere, anytime. From your temple and groin to nose and ear hairs, it handles it all. It's perfect for beards and body hair, providing a complete grooming solution. Experience painless grooming thanks to its advanced design. It ensures a smooth and gentle trim without any pulling or discomfort. It comes with 2 replaceable ceramic blade heads for long-lasting performance and hygiene. Keep your grooming tool sharp and effective with ease. This comprehensive kit is your go-to for all your grooming needs. Achieve a polished look effortlessly with this essential tool. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one grooming tool. If you're looking for a single device to handle multiple grooming needs, from your beard to your nose and even more sensitive areas, this is a great choice. Its versatility and waterproof nature make it incredibly convenient for a complete grooming routine. What people say. The wax is easy to use and doesn't require mixing. The included applicators are designed to reach deep into the nostril for effective hair removal. The kit comes with everything you need for a pain-free experience. Number 4. Nose Wax Kit for Men and Women. Tired of unwanted nasal and ear hair? Our kit offers a simple solution for both men and women. Experience a painless and safe hair removal process. It's designed to be gentle on your skin while effectively removing hair. Get the job done in just 3 minutes. This fast-acting formula ensures quick and convenient grooming. Each kit provides enough wax for 15 to 20 uses, offering long-lasting results. Enjoy smooth skin for weeks. This comprehensive kit includes 100 g of wax and 30 applicators. Everything you need for effective hair removal is right here. Specifically designed for both nasal and ear hair. Achieve a clean and polished look with ease. What we like. For those who want a quick and effective solution for nasal and ear hair, this kit is ideal. If you dislike the pain associated with other methods and need a fast, no-fuss way to clear those hairs, this product offers a convenient and efficient experience with enough wax for multiple uses. What people say. The wax is easy to use and melts quickly. The included applicators make it simple to apply the wax precisely. It effectively removes hair from the nostrils without causing excessive pain. Number 3. Hion 6 PCS Extended Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs to clean your ears? Research shows they can be harmful, pushing earwax deeper. Our professional kit offers a safer, more effective solution. Crafted from 316L stainless steel, this tool is rust-proof, hypoallergenic, and easy to clean. Its nano-polished surface ensures a smooth, scratch-free experience for your delicate ear canals. Featuring a double-headed design with various specialized tips, it effectively removes both dry and oily earwax. Different tools target different types of buildup for a thorough clean. With an anti-slip grip and ergonomic design, cleaning your ears is safe and efficient. The various sizes ensure a comfortable fit for all ear canal sizes, from children to adults. Each tool is reusable and washable. A cleaning brush is included for convenience. Everything neatly stores in a portable package box, perfect for home or travel. We are confident you'll love this effective ear cleaning kit. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for a solution. Add it to your cart today. What we like. If you prefer a traditional yet superior method for earwax removal, this professional kit is for you. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a thoughtful double-headed design, it offers a safe and effective way to clean your ears without the risks associated with cotton swabs. It's perfect for those who want precise control and a thorough clean. What people say. The wax is easy to use and melts quickly. The included applicators make it simple to apply the wax precisely. It effectively removes hair from the nostrils without causing excessive pain. Number 2. EQUADOSE Tweezy Nose and Ear Hair Remover. Tired of painful hair removal methods? Discover a better way to groom your nose and ear hair with this innovative tool. Experience a truly pain-free grooming session. Its precision design ensures effective hair removal without any discomfort. This grooming tool is designed for both men and women. Achieve a clean and polished look effortlessly. Looking for an alternative to trimmers and waxing kits? This offers an easy and effective solution for your grooming needs. Its simple operation makes grooming quick and easy. Get the precise results you desire with minimal effort. You may have known it as pluck. Now, it's better than ever, providing a superior grooming experience. What we like. This is the perfect tool for precise and pain-free hair removal in delicate areas. If you're seeking an alternative to potentially painful waxing or bulky trimmers for your nose and ear hair, this offers an easy and effective solution. It's ideal for maintaining a neat appearance with minimal discomfort. What people say. The wax beads are specifically designed for nose and ear hair removal. The kit includes everything needed for a quick and easy waxing session. The applicators are designed to reach deep into the nostril and ear canal for effective hair removal. Number 1. KAUGIC Upgraded Ear Wax Removal Kit. Experience a smarter way to clean your ears. Our unique design integrates clean and wastewater in a single, seamless tank for effortless operation. Your safety is our priority. It features intelligent temperature control, with a green light indicating the perfect temperature and a red light preventing use if it's too hot. This device is completely waterproof with an IPX7 rating, making it safe to use in the shower. Cleaning is also a breeze, as the entire unit can be rinsed under a tap. Getting started is simple. Align the O with the unlock symbol and rotate to lock when the water temperature indicator light is green, ensuring optimal warmth for use. Customize your cleaning experience with 4 adjustable water pressure levels. Easily select your preferred intensity by pressing the power mode button. This effective ear irrigation kit is eligible for FSA and HSA spending, making it a convenient and accessible choice for your ear care needs. What we like. For a safe and thorough ear cleaning experience, this irrigation kit is an excellent choice. If you're concerned about water temperature and want customizable pressure for effective wax removal, this product offers advanced safety features and convenience. Its high waterproof rating means you can use and clean it with ease. What people say. The wax is easy to use and effective for removing ear hair. The included applicators are designed to reach all areas of the ear canal, making the process thorough. The kit comes with everything needed for multiple applications, offering good value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.